Hi there, it's me, Kamilah, and I'm back for my September budget by Paycheck. So we're going to get this money sorted and we're going to get it rolling where it needs to go so that we can make our money work for me. Let's see how this one works out for us. We've got some changes coming up, some exciting things to discuss. So go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see y'all in a minute. Alrighty, so here we are with our started with the envelopes. That's not where we're starting. We're starting with our budget. So, Paycheck, we got paid today. Now, since I budget by Paycheck, my paychecks pay for about 2 weeks ahead. So this is my paycheck from 08-21, but it's paying for the first half of September. So envelopes, we have $345 going to envelopes. We have rent, which is $960. We have Adobe, which is $35. Electricity, which is $100. Banfield, I'm gonna put $59, but woo, am I hoping that goes down because I just changed that. So we'll see how that works out for us. Sinking funds, which are $92. Cushion, it's gonna get 10. Let me add this up and see how this is going so far. So 345 plus 0 plus 35. Yep, okay. And then 5 left over for miscellaneous. All right, so that totals me out for that paycheck amount with 0 left over. And then once we close that one out way in September, we'll actually see where we end up. And I need to go actually get my envelopes so I can write down what the numbers are for them. Let's get these envelopes updated and get them written in. So it's my little envelope reader. It's a little bootleg, but it works. And so this is where I track. This is where I track my monies that I'm spending because I'm doing electronic envelopes. So food. Now let's get our envelopes section out. All right. Paycheck 1. All right, so here are our envelopes. We have food. I suppose I can zoom in a little bit more. Ooh, not quite that much. There we go. Okay, food. You get 70 for week 1. It's gonna get 50 for week 2. And then we have gas gets 30 and 30. And then we have home. So this is just home goods things like kitty litter and I don't know, paper towels, dish soap, laundry detergent, stuff like that. Beauty, stuff to do my hair, stuff for my makeup, gets 15. Then we have entertainment, that's like my allowance. But I can use it to buy movies, books, and that gets 20 a week. And then we have car, and then we have clothes. So this is actually going to be the last time that I will be using car and clothes on here. It gets 25 and 25. Oh, no, 0 for the next one. And then 25, and then on the next paycheck it gets 25. Because I have now shifted one of my savings accounts to an account to save for car expenses. Hello, baby. That's the kitty. To pay for car expenses. So that one will not exist anymore. It will not go on this form. I have a new sheet for it, and I'll show you all that in a little bit. The cat is being special. Yes, Mama. What is Mama? Okay. All right, so rollovers. So that's what I had left over from the week prior, and I had a whole whopping $4.52. So that leaves me with $74.52, and this needs to be savings. Thought these ones were updated, but I suppose they're not. But this should be savings, and I'll be pulling that out in a little bit because I'm pulling out for my emergency savings to make it a... Oh my gosh, yes, baby. Yes, baby, what are you doing? Okay, maybe she's okay. I don't know. All right, so gas, and I'll pull out 5. I pulled out 5 this time for savings. Which means that number that I have pulled out over there is wrong. So I pulled out 5, so we're gonna actually add a 5 here, okay? And take 2 away. So there we go. All right, so then we did for gas, we have, gas is getting up there and I'm very excited about that. I'm leaving it in there. I don't care if anything happens. I want to be able to make a quick escape. So rollover was $418.94. So our total for gas is $448.94, and we're pulling out for savings. We're not pulling out for savings. I'm leaving all that in there because that's way too much to just have in a little extra envelope. Then we have home, and home we had $22.59 left over. So that gives us with $57.59, and we took out 3 for our savings. Beauty has $46.27, and I took, so that left us with $61.27, and we took out $2, and then entertainment had $8.38, so that left us with $28.38, and we took out 3 here. Car had, ooh, I took car out already. Car had $69.13, I believe. And so it's gonna get 25. Let's see what that is. Let's see what that is. Clear. 94.13. Ooh, that's nice. But we're taking out 5, so don't get excited. And then clothes, poor clothes. I bought a beautiful dress, so I spent all my clothing money. So I had $7.03 left, and that gives me with $32.03, and I took out $5 for my emergencies. So now we go to emergencies. I'll put those in there. So food, we'll put gas, but we'll mark it out. We'll do home. Ooh, let me make sure you can see that. Yes, there we go. Beauty, entertainment, car, clothes. All right. So, and let me make sure I have the right amount for how much food is supposed to get. Food is supposed to get 5. Yep. Okay. So let's get our food. Gas, groceries, okay. And let's see how much we had in there. So we have 13, so we'll add a 5. So it's 5. That gives us 18 left over. Perfect. And then see these poor envelopes, they've been loved, they've been used, they're not going too well. House has, I should put in there how much you're supposed to get. Home is supposed to get 3. So I'm doing this right. 2, 5. Does it get 5 or 3? It gets 3. Entertainment gets $3. So 3. Car gets 5. Clothes gets 5. Okay. So home gets 3. Home has $9. So yay for 3 from that. 1, 2, 3. So now we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, sorry about that. 12 for home. And then we have, I used to have trackers on these. I've tried out every way of figuring out how to use my money or how to keep a hold of my money. You'll see. Beauty has 8 and Beauty gets 2. So we're now at 10. We're getting there. I have goals set for these. I don't know if I've gone over them or not, but I could. It's pretty much just 100 for each one. And this is just as like if something wild happens, entertainment. I had to make a new one because I used to just keep this in my wallet. Entertainment has 9, so it gets 3. Perfect. Oh, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Has 12. And this is really like, I don't know, pandemic has me thinking differently about everything. I think everybody's kind of in that space. So, ooh, special, huh? 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. It gets 5, so 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So yay for 24 for that. And now this will now go in its new account. And I will just continue to track it. And we can do away with this. Look at this. Look at this sad envelope. We'll do away with this sad envelope. And then close. And close has 25. And it gets 5. So it's got 30. Doing pretty good on clothes. We'll get that one filled. None too late. And so that's it. That's everything. Everything's set and ready to go. And now I'll just be moving some of my funds around. Make sure everything's where it's supposed to be. And I'll be back to record my sinking funds in a little bit. So thanks for watching. Go ahead and comment with, have you made any changes to how you're keeping up with things now that there's been the pandemic? Are you putting more into savings? And I hope you're having a great time. I hope you're safe. I hope your family's safe. Take care of yourselves and each other. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.